Hello to all of the students of Organic Chemistry SEM 2. Students, today let us see pyrolytic elimination reaction, that is known as internal elimination reaction EI. Students, earlier you learned about the E1, E2 and E1CB elimination reaction. This pyrolytic elimination is one of the important group of alkene forming type of reaction which takes place in presence of higher heat energy, that is due to which it is known as thermal decomposition reaction also. Carboxylic esters, xanthates, amine oxides, sulfoxides and selenoxides under high temperature undergo pyrolytic decomposition to form carbon-carbon bond, and these are the typical examples or common examples of pyrolytic elimination reaction. This pyrolytic elimination reaction, it takes place at high temperatures. The word pyrolytic used here is due to the fact that the term pyr, P-Y-R, means fire. This pyr word is a Greek word which has a meaning of fire. That means high heat energy is required. Therefore, the name is given to this elimination reaction as a pyrolytic elimination. It is also known as Syn elimination reaction. If we compare this reaction with E1, E2 and E1CB type of reaction, this reaction required base in the form of external base or solvent, but this reaction do not require any type of base or external base. This reaction is carried out in gaseous phase, which acts as an inert media or inert solvent for the completion of the reaction. This elimination reaction, it is represented by EI because this is known as internal elimination reaction. This pyrolytic elimination is one of the important group of alkene forming type of reaction which proceeds through thermal decomposition type of reaction. The pyrolytic decomposition of carboxylic esters, xanthates, amine oxides, sulfoxides, selenoxides under high pressure gives to the formation of carbon-carbon double bond. During this reaction, both of the leaving group get removed by breaking of bonds, but while removing these two groups, there is formation of cyclic transition state. This cyclic transition state, it may be 5 or 6 membered, but when these two groups or two leaving groups are given out by breaking the bonds, they lies on the same side of carbon-carbon double bond. That means the groups which are given out, they already lies on the similar side of carbon-carbon bond. They are given out, and after that there is formation of carbon-carbon double bond. There are some substrates, that esters and amine oxides. They also do not require any external agent for this EI elimination reaction. By simple heating, this substrate can also give formation to the product with carbon-carbon double bond. Some of the example are given here. In xanthate elimination, you can see that in presence of heat, it gives to the formation of carbon-carbon double bond, and also selenium oxide elimination in presence of heat also gives to the formation of C double bond O by removing HS C double bond O SR, and here in selenium oxide R SeOH is given out. The simple reaction is given also here, that is in generalized mechanism. EtCH2, it means C2H5 CH2 CH2O C double bond O CH3 in presence of large amount of heat, that means 500 degrees Celsius is required for this reaction, elimination reaction. Firstly, you can see this bond becomes weak, CH bond, and also the bond CO bond, it also becomes weaker. At that time, this oxygen get partially bonded with this hydrogen to form a cyclic structure like this. After that, there is a breaking of this bond takes place, and this bond also breaks to form CH3COOH, which gives to the formation of carbon-carbon double bond. So students, this is the pyrolytic elimination or syn elimination type of reaction. The word syn is used here is due to that when the removing groups or atoms are given out, they lies firstly on the same side of carbon-carbon bond. Therefore, syn elimination is also given the name to pyrolytic elimination.